In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a Facebook post into your WordPress post with a lot of ease. I have this article on my WordPress website and I want to embed this Facebook post at this spot in my WordPress post. So to get started, identify the spot where you want to embed the post. Go ahead and click on this text button here. There are two buttons, visual and text. By default, you interact with the visual. Go and change it to the text editor. Go and identify where you still want to embed and make sure the cursor is at the same spot. Go ahead on your Facebook post. Now from here, go and click on embed. And this is how it should appear once we have embedded our post. Go ahead and copy the code. Once you have copied the code, come back to your WordPress website to the place where you want to embed and then paste the code there. Once you're done, go back to visual. And as you can see, the details from the Facebook post have been fetched into my WordPress post. Go ahead and update your post. Now, if you open the link into a new tab, you will be able to see how your post appears to the viewers with the embedded Facebook post inside your article. If this tutorial was helpful to you, kindly give me a thumb up and also consider subscribing to this channel. I create tech tutorials on how you can perform various tasks on the internet. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.